Hello and welcome back to HardReset.info channel. In this video I'm going to explain you how to generate two-factor authentication verification codes in Apple Passwords application. So let's begin. First of all, you want to see two-factor authentication data on the website. So please open the website that you want to secure on a secondary device. It could be second phone, second iPad, or basically any other screen that you have access to. And now on that website, you want to go to section with security and go to two-factor authentication section. And if that website supports two-factor authentication, you will see QR code on your screen. But for example, if you cannot see QR code, you will see a long line of random letters and numbers. So this is your setup key. So now let's open Passwords application on your iPhone, and now let's go to a specific website that you want to secure. For example, for me is this one, and now I need to tap edit button in the top right corner of my screen, and here you will see section with code. So let's tap setup code, and this is the place where you should enter your setup key that you have just copied from your website. So here you can insert it. Let me write something random, but if you see QR code on your screen, then you should tap this button, scan QR code with camera, and scan that QR code using your device. But I will stick to setup key, then I will tap use setup key button, and now I want to complete the activation. After this moment, password application will instantly generate a 6-digit code, so you want to simply save it. And this is actually dynamic code which will change itself automatically after several seconds. So here is your verification code, and now you can just simply copy this code, head back to website setup page, and you can paste this code into a confirmation box and then submit your verification code. So yeah, that's basically how it works, and thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you in the next one.